Hello, lovies. So, aside from sightseeing, you can get to enjoy food at the main tank luncheonette and also aqua dining, which is available for dinner. So, here you can dine in and enjoy their sumptuous feast while watching different species of fishes in their main tank. I'd like to also commend the staff, especially Sir JP, for the top notch and five-star service that we experienced during our visit at the Cebu Ocean Park. So we actually enjoyed our feast of their pork ribs, their beef brisket, their laksa. It's very spicy, so we love it. Seafood laksa, and also their honey garlic chicken. Their servings are good for sharing, so we really enjoyed all their food.
Yes, thank you. Salamat. Hey guys, so we're here at the main tank luncheonette. I'd like to give a special shout out to Sir JP for giving us a 5-star service. So we enjoy their laksa, their ribs, brisket,
Honey garlic chicken and
honey garlic chicken and beef brisket. So they also have fine dining, which is called aqua dining.
aqua dining. We start at 6 p.m. Until 9 p.m. every Friday to Sunday.
Friday and weekends for the aqua dining. And then the amount is
1,500 for the 4 course meal. 8 course meal, we like 8 course. 2,300 per person.
so 1,500 for 4 course, 2,000
300.
8 course, 2,300 for 8 course. So thank you so much, Sir JP. Pakitaan ninyo siya guys if mangaon mo diri sa main tank luncheonette sa Cebu Ocean Park. Bye guys!